Yeah, hi everyone. So this is Lakshman from Chennai. So I have just come to Luxara for the first time. Which is a Turepakam. So I just went for a head massage come the face massage along with a beard trim. So altogether all these three services were really good. So initially I had a kind of doubt. So it was started yearly. Moreover they also told that there is another branch at Village. So this is the second one that they have started. So probably it has gone well for today. So hopefully the more customers can come based on all the reviews what they get, and also there are many good offers what they provide, so we can probably utilize it whenever how much ever often we come. So all the best to the team.
Hi, I've come to Luxara in OMR and I took facial, hair over and beardo makeover, and it was really excellent, and I prefer this place again.
When I came to Luxara, I came with a lot of stress and depression. I really spent 1.5 hours. It's very peaceful, very peace of mind. The music is very nice. It has a nice environment, and come win. Yeah, I had a nice time with him. He was very dedicated. He not only seeing a customer as a service, he dedicated his own skills and made me very, very happy. Now I am feeling very relaxed, and again next time I will come here and I will do a lot of services. Very good, exceeded my expectations. Exceeded my expectation level. Luxara, nice.